I am P. Madhumita. I am currently pursuing my UG degree, Bachelor of Commerce with a professional accounting at Dr. S.N.S. Rajashmi College of Arts and Science in our business model Canva, banking app business model Canvas. Key partners, whom will you work with as you run the business? Name your partners and the roles they will take on technology providers, other banks and the financial institution key activities. What are the tasks and activities that must be done every day to keep the business running? App development and maintenance, security and compliances, value propositions. What is the need you are trying to address? What value will your product bring to the target audience? Convenience banking, security and trust. Customer relationship, what relationship you will establish with each customer segment. Personalized support, direct and honest feedback. Customer segments, who is your target market? What are the characteristics of your early adopters? List the partners that you expect to use your product. Small and medium sized enterprises, tech savvy account holders. Key resources, what are the tangible and the intangible thing you need to create your product? Technology infrastructure, skilled development term, channels, where will your product will be available? List the ways you plan to reach your target audience. Mobile app stores, social media. Cost structure, what are the fixed and variable cost for launching your product or services? Consider the cost at each stage, from setting up and hiring all the way to marketing and distribution, development and maintenance. Marketing and customer acquisitions, revenue streams, how will you generate income? How your price model of your product or services, and include other revenue sources such as sales and subscription fee, transactions fee, partnership.